Good.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard the all-new, all-electric Maid of the Mist. For your safety, life jackets and printed instructions on for your own safety. Please keep your hands and feet from standing on the seats or the metal boxes on the deck of the boat. Please keep youngsters off all railings. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to. In 1885, our boats evolved to single-stack steamboats that ventured. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard the all-new, all-electric Maid of the Mist. For your safety, life jackets and printed instruction leaders. 12,000 years ago, the falls were 7 miles, or about 11 kilometers downriver at Lewiston. You see them now at their present location because of erosion. This happens at a rate of approximately 6 feet, or 2 meters a year. Most of the rock at the base of the falls fell during 2 spectacular rock slides in 1931 and 1954. The small falls to the right of the American Falls is called the Bridal Veil. The walkway at its foot leads to Canadian Falls is Goat Island. Our own new all-electric vessels utilize a state-of-the-art propulsion system, which includes thrusters in each hull. These eliminate the need for rudders, achieving a tenfold growth. In 2020, it was 70th when she went over the falls in a wooden barrel and lived. In 1960, an almost unbelievable event occurred. A 7-year-old boy named Roger Woodward was swept over the falls, wearing only a bathing suit and a simple life jacket. It was a miracle that he survived. Roger was rescued almost at this exact spot by a Maid of the Mist boat. To the far left of the Horseshoe Falls is Terrapin Point, where the international borderline between the United States and Canada lies. As we approach this iconic window, we once again remind you that for your own safety, please keep hands and feet inside the boat and do not stand on the seats or the metal boxes on the deck. Please keep youngsters off all railings. Niagara Falls.